Hi everyone! Today I'd like to do another math word problem with you. So let's take a look. We'll read this together. A penguin ate 5 fish. Another penguin ate 3 fish. How many fish did they eat all together? So as you know, and if you did last week's word problem, you're probably familiar, and you should be anyway because we do word problems a lot in class, but I always want you to draw your answer out, regardless if you can tell me the answer right away. I've also added today a number line to show you how we can use the number line to help us find the answer as well. You all should have a number line that was sent home in one of your earlier packages. So let's see. The first sentence says, a penguin ate 5 fish. So I'm not going to bother drawing the penguin. The question's more focused around the fish. So that's what I think I'll do. So a penguin ate 5 fish. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know they don't need to be perfect. We just try our best. All right, so in this group, the first penguin ate 5. Let's count again just to double check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have the first 5 fish that the penguin ate. Next it says, another penguin ate 3 fish. So over here, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 fish. So one penguin ate 5, another penguin ate 3. Now I need to know, the question's asking us how many fish did they eat all together. So just like last week's question, and if you didn't do that, you can always go back on Seesaw or through email and find that to do as well. But you know that I always want you to label using a number when we're doing math, labeling with a number, to practice printing our numerals as well. So I'm going to print the numbers beside or inside the fish for this one. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, I just want to say this for parents. We don't use that language of necessarily 5 plus 3 equals 8 in kindergarten. We're still just kind of learning the precursor skills to addition. So even though we don't really use that language, I encourage the kids to say things like 5 and 3 make 8 rather than 5 plus 3 equals 8. But yes, it is the same thing. So another thing, boys and girls, that you could do if you're looking at the number line, the penguin, the very first sentence says a penguin ate 5 fish. So if I look at my number line and I start at the number 5, and then I could count ahead how many more. Another penguin ate how many more? They ate 3 more. So if I started at 5, I would count 1, 2, 3, and that would bring me to 8. So 8 total. And you can always draw that out on a number line as well when you're doing number problems, going forwards or backwards depending on the question. So the next question actually is a little bit different. So I thought we'd do that one together. And then I'm going to leave this one for you to complete. So this one says, I made 4 snowmen. I made 4 snowmen. So how many are you going to draw first? Okay, the sun came out and melted 2. So this one you have to think a little bit more. Are we going to be drawing more snowmen, or are there going to be some that you might be Xing out or taking away? So how many snowmen are left? How many snowmen are left? So what I would love for you to do is to draw your answer out, label the snowmen, and if you want, you could do what I did in the last question, use the number line. You just may be going in a different direction is all at the end. So moms and dads may have to help out with this one. It's a little bit different, but that's okay. I know you can do it. So just try your best. Have a great day, boys and girls.